Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Have you ever wondered what keeps a baby alive inside the womb before it can breathe, eat or even open its eyes? The answer is an extraordinary organ, one that appears only during pregnancy and vanishes after birth. The placenta. Yes, placenta is an organ, but it's a temporary organ. Means it's often called the temporary organ of life. And without it, none of us could have survived our first 9 months. And this placenta begins forming just days after conception. And it attaches to the walls of the uterus. Okay. And it connects to the baby through umbilical cord. You can think of it like a living bridge that connects mother and her unborn child. And it performs, the same organ, placenta, performs so many functions at once. The functions of lungs, kidneys, liver, and even the digestive system. The placenta delivers oxygen and nutrients from the mother's blood, and it removes the waste from baby's blood. And not only this thing, this produces vital organ. This placenta, the same placenta, produces vital hormones that sustain pregnancy. So now you can see so many functions are there played together by the same organ, placenta, but it's a temporary organ. And that's why its legacy remains eternal. Though it's temporary, but its legacy remains eternal. Anyway, it also performs double circulation system because the placenta doesn't allow everything to pass to the baby's body. It acts like a filter. This placenta acts like a filter. Nutrients and oxygen reach the baby. Okay, nutrients and oxygen reach the baby from mother's blood, but everything cannot move from mother's blood to baby's blood because the the placenta acts like a filter. But yes, some things are there, unavoidable things like some drugs, alcohol, viruses, they can cross the placenta easily, but not everything. Harmful substances are kept outside the placenta. Means those harmful substances cannot reach the baby's blood because it acts like a thin barrier. This placenta acts like a thin barrier, and through that thin barrier, that filtration process occurs. Not only this thing, this placenta is also an endocrine organ. Placenta is also an endocrine organ. It produces so many hormones like HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, known to you. And the same hormone is found in case of a pregnancy test. You know this thing. This hormone is actually detected during pregnancy tests, HCG. Okay, small h, small c, capital G. Human chorionic gonadotropin. And along with this HCG, two more hormones are there which are produced by the same organ, placenta, progesterone and estrogen. And these three hormones together actually maintain that uterine lining, that is the requirement during pregnancy. These three hormones together maintain that uterine lining. Not only that thing, these hormones also prevent contractions. Okay, prevent contractions because still the baby is inside the womb, so contractions are not allowed. So that means these things, these three hormones prevent contractions before the baby is ready to be born. So now you know that placenta plays so many roles together. And that's why at the very beginning of this video I have mentioned that none of us could have survived our first 9 months without placenta. Okay, it actually not only protects, it also means it gives us complete protection when we are inside the womb. Better to say, when babies are inside the womb. Okay, it gives the complete protection. And I have already mentioned that some cultures in their rituals actually honor this placenta by either burying, okay, or preserving it. Okay, so some cultures follow this thing. They honor placenta this way, either by burying or preserving it, because they consider this placenta as the sacred connection, life's most sacred connection. That's why they do it. Anyway, now you know the importance of placenta. But one more thing, placenta, this is a temporary organ. Just a few minutes after the childbirth, this placenta detaches from the uterine wall and is delivered after birth. So it builds baby, this placenta builds baby, protect it, and steps aside when its mission is done. Its mission is to take care of the baby when the baby is inside the womb. So when its job is done, it actually disappears. Not disappears means it actually detaches from the uterine wall and is delivered after birth. Okay. So this was all about today's topic, placenta. Why this organ is so much important. And that's why its importance is priceless. Though it's temporary, but it's actually priceless. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. If you found this topic fascinating, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.